Hello children, learn the names of vehicles, transportation vehicles. Helicopter, what is this? This is helicopter. This is helicopter. This is fire truck. What is this? This is fire truck. Fire truck. This is called bicycle. This is bicycle. Bicycle. This is airplane. This is airplane. This is airplane. This is truck. What is this? This is called truck. Truck, truck, truck. What is this? This is van. This is van. Van, van. This is called bus. Bus. What is this? This is bus. Bus. We call camper van. What is this? This is camper van. Camper van. This is ambulance. 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 This is called ambulance. This vehicle name is SUV. This vehicle name is SUV. This is train. 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 This is called train. Train. This is electric scooter. This is electric scooter. Electric scooter. This is sports bike. This is sports bike. Sports bike. This is scooter. This is scooter. This is scooter. Scooter. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe.